So guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use one-step ovulation kit or ovulation test. So if you want to know how to use this ovulation kit, you have to stay tuned. Do not skip this video, watch it to the end. So this is the ovulation prediction kit. It is one-step ovulation prediction kit. So I am going to be showing you how to use this. And before I continue, I want to say something. Before you can start using this prediction kit, you need to know your cycle. First of all, what is ovulation? I am not going into detail about ovulation because I am not a professor knowledge of ovulation. Ovulation simply means the releasing of egg from the ovary. So many women do not know how to calculate their ovulation. They don't even actually know when they are going to be ovulating or when they are ovulating. That is the essence of this prediction kit. This kit will help you to predict or to know when you are likely going to ovulate. So if you are the type of person that don't know how to calculate her ovulation, you may find this video interesting and useful, and also the prediction kit also useful. So we have many cycles. If you want to know more about cycle, you can go to Google or you can search it on YouTube. I know many people have made video about how to calculate your cycle. You have to know your cycle length. Then after knowing your cycle length, you will know how to use this, when to start using this. You know what is cycle then? Cycle is the length of your period. For example, if you have to calculate cycle starting from the first day you started bleeding to the next time you are going to bleed again, you have to count the interval. Let's say you started bleeding on the 1st of February and the bleeding will start in the next month. You have to calculate it like that. You have to start calculating from the first day of February to the day it started again next month. That is your cycle length. When you calculate it, you will know. But I'm going to be using 28-day cycle as an example. If you have a 28-day cycle, when you want to start using this, you will start using it on the 12th of your cycle, because you have already known the. So you start using this ovulation prediction kit on the day 12th of your cycle. You have to be doing it consistently, at least 5 days before you can predict when you are going to ovulate. I'm going to show you practical. So this is very, very important for every woman who wants to conceive, especially those of us who do not know how to calculate their ovulation, who do not know when they are likely going to ovulate. This is very, very important. It is very, very important you use this. And if you don't know your cycle at all and you don't know how to calculate ovulation, you may start using it earlier. For example, if you don't know how to calculate your cycle, all you need to do is that after your period, that is after your menstrual cycle, if it lasts for 4 days or 5 days, after the day you skip 5th, 6th, 7th, start using it on the day 8, 9, 10 until you see the positive line that tells you that you are likely going to be ovulating. If you do not understand what I'm saying or what I'm explaining, you can write your comments down below and tell me to redo it so that you will understand it. I don't want to define what ovulation is. I think I made a video about how to conceive easily. If you really want to know about ovulation and cycle, you can go back and watch the video. Then you come back to this one so that you will understand what I am saying. So let's go practical. Let me show you how to use this prediction kit. So this is the ovulation prediction kit. I just remove it from the pack. This is one-step ovulation prediction kit. So when you want to do it, you open the pack, you remove it, and you dip it into your urine. Do not use your early morning urine because this is not a pregnancy test. Afternoon urine is better. You have to wait in the afternoon and make sure you don't take any liquid so that you will not mix it up. This test dictates your LH hormone, so you don't need to take anything liquid before you do this test. So after bringing your 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock urine, or afternoon urine is preferable, you pour it in a clean bowl. As you can see, look at my own clean bowl. You pour it inside here and you dip this strip into it for about 3 to 5 seconds. I hope you guys can see me. Then you bring it out, you place it in a clean place. Make sure that the place you are keeping it is very clean. You have to wait up to 3 to 5 minutes to read your result. So after that, this is the result. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it very well. You have to do it for 5 days, as I said. This is the result. When the test line is dark as the control line, it means that you are going to be ovulating in the next 12 to 48 hours, or the test line may be even more darker than the control line. You know that you will be ovulating in the same 12 to 48 hours. So if you do not know how to calculate your ovulation or know when you will be ovulating, I hope this have served as a help to you. If you don't understand anything that I've just explained in this video, you can leave your comment down below. Then maybe I will make another video to explain more. Just as I said earlier, you have to use your 10 o'clock urine. Do not use your early morning urine. And before you can do this test, make sure you don't take any liquid for 4 hours before you do this test. If not, you will not have a positive result. You have to wait to read your result. And as you can see, you can write the day you started. You can write CD1, CD2, CD3, CD4. If you don't know how to calculate your ovulation, I advise you to start earlier. Start maybe on the 9th or 10th day of your cycle so that you will get accurate result. This is very, very important for women who are planning to conceive. I wish you good luck as you do this. Thank you so much. I hope this video helps someone out there. A video a like, share it with your friends, and like I said earlier, if there's anything you don't understand about this, please write it down below so that I will know what you think. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all. A qui video te